Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by accessing devices settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Following that, tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher at the top in order to activate it. Now follow all of those instructions. To activate, slide left, right on the navigation bar. To exit, double tap on the black area or slide again on the navigation bar. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, slide again or double tap on this area. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same now green switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!